And good morning, I'm Dr. Ardik Majan, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with a patient who has traveled here to have his neck fixed. He had a herniated disc. We did his surgery just yesterday.
Yes, sir.
It was outpatient, Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic. How do you feel today?
I'd say probably 90 to 95% better, for sure.
Awesome. And what kind of problems were you having before that brought you here?
Severe balance issues, tingling in my arms and fingers. I had pain running down my leg, but I don't have nearly anything today. So big difference.
And your insurance covered your surgery, is that correct?
Absolutely.
And who do you have to thank for that?
Well, we've got you for one, and your whole staff has been friendly and kind, and you guys have always been on point with everything, getting back to phone calls and emails. It's been a hell of a process. Much appreciated.
You're welcome. And are you taking pain meds now that your surgery is over? A lot of people that have spine surgery, they're on painkillers for months afterwards. Are you on any painkillers?
No, sir, not at all.
None?
No pain enough to need pills.
Awesome. And you can see the small little incision. We went in with a 4mm incision on his neck, and we went through the front, back to the back side of the disc that was herniated, and we used the laser to clean out your herniation and get the pressure off your spinal cord and your nerves. Here you are now. Were you offered other types of surgery besides the laser?
I was a disc replacement of the C4, C5, I believe, and maybe C6. The recovery time was 6 months, 6 to 8 months of no working, no lifting, none of that stuff. I chose to go with Dr. Deuk just simplistically of, his overall success rate and the transition of being able to get back to work and getting my life back.
Awesome. And you don't have a piece of metal in your neck?
No, sir.
It's all natural. We went in and used a laser to repair the disc, and there's no metal, no plastic, nothing left in his body. You get your natural spine. Anything else you want to say to your fans out there?
Hey, believe in Dr. Deuk and the Deuk Spine Institute.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.